Hello, so my content for today is about how to disinfect the kitchen. First here I'm going to show you some of the few cleaning substances we are using at home to disinfect and clean visible surfaces, most notably our kitchen. We have here mostly bought off from the market. Antibacterial? They're all antibacterial. So we have here 70% solution alcohol. We have some sanitization wipes. We use these for our groceries, to disinfect the groceries, because these are 99.9% germ protection. These two are for the surfaces that we're going to disinfect. This one is a special cleaning solution for babies. So as you probably do or do not know, I have twin brothers. So we use this to disinfect stuff in their room and stuff that they use to play with. What do I call these again? So here we have solutions to dilute. This is basically if you want to make your own disinfectant cleaning solution. So, should I put this out? But I'm going to show you an example on how to quickly do it. So we need an empty spray bottle, which we already have here. So here I have already a part of 1 quart of water, and I'll be adding part of 1 teaspoon of bleach. So here's my teaspoon. Colorful. So now I have the custom cleaning solution. So now we'll start cleaning. So moving on, I'm going to start cleaning our kitchen sink and stuff. Wow. This is for spraying and wiping after. Then you have to wipe it with damp cloth. So now we're going to disinfect our countertop. So now we're done with the cleaning and disinfecting. So now we can start preparing our tuna canapés. Okay, after all the cleaning stuff, I'm going to show you how I prepare my tuna canapé. As you know, a canapé is a type of hors d'oeuvre. A small prepared and often decorated food consisting of small pieces of bread, sometimes toasted, puff pastry, wrapped or topped with some savory food. Held in the fingers, often eaten in one bite. So let's get started. Our ingredients are going to be crab meat, mayonnaise, pepper, table salt, tuna, and some crackers. So first we're going to drain the oil from the tuna. Now just keep on shredding the tuna. If you're happy with your life, now you can add the mayo. So now we'll start preparing the crackers. Oh no. Me, I'm done with the thing. Now I'm gonna top it with crab meat. So now we're done. Taste test time. Taste test.
Ano yan, buko? Tasty yan.
She's a fan again.
Great job, Ate Gabby.
Wala na ba yung